Ladies and gentlemen, this is Miss Universe Philippines 2025. Now, 2204, your pageant blogger host. Subscribe.
Let your Filipina beauty glow with Pina.
Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers. Inilabas na ng Miss Universe Philippines organization ang mga bagong larawan ng ating Miss Universe Philippines 2025 candidates para sa sponsor na Pina Beauty. At ito ay pinangalanan na Pina Beauty Philippines Shots. At narito ang ibinigay ng Chelsea Universe, isang pageant page na talaga namang nagbibigay ng mga standout para sa ating mga candidates. And now, let's meet the Chelsea Universe pageant page. Pina Beauty PH Shots stand out for the Miss Universe Philippines 2025 candidates. Narito ang kanilang top 15 Pina Beauty PH Shots stand out. For the placement of top 10 to top 15, we have Tacloban, Baguio, Cebu Province, Bago City, Oriental Mindoro, and Pasig. For our top 6 to top 10, we have Aklan, Sinuloan, Muntinlupa, Laguna, Iligan, at Tacloban. Narito naman ang top 4 and top 5 placement, Quezon Province and Malay. At ang napili naman ng Chelsea Universe para sa Pina Beauty Shot Standout top 3. At top 3 we have Isabela, top 2 Sultan Kudarat, and number 1 is Taguig. Sino sa inyo ang pinakamaganda ang Pina Beauty Shots at sino ang nag-stand out sa kanila? Just comment down below your answer and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Maraming salamat po sa iyong panonood. Support your favorite candidates and leave a comment.